Hello everyone. Today we will be doing Leetcode problem 19, that is remove nth node from end of linked list. So we are given the head of a linked list and we have to remove the nth node from the end of the list and return its head. So let's see the logic behind it and then try to code it. We can use two pointers. Let it be slow and fast to solve this problem. So our we will move our fast pointer till like for example here our n is 2, so we will move our fast pointer to the nth position of our linked list. Why do we do that? So that when our fast pointer will be here, our slow pointer will be here, we will be first moving our fast to this position. So when we do the next iteration, like when we will be again moving through our linked list, so what will happen is, like if we have 1 here, we have got 2 here, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5. So our fast is here, our slow is here. So till our fast reaches the end of the linked list, our slow will reach exactly this position where we need to remove, sorry, exactly the position where we need to remove the element from our linked list. So we will be linking this, we will be removing this element, we will be linking this to this element. So let's try to understand this. For example, let me iterate. So 1, here it will be 2, here it will be 3, then 4, then 5. So our fast, we will be like for example here n is 2, so our fast will be here, our slow would be here. We will be first iterating the fast to the nth position. So we have done that. Now what we will do is, on the next iteration, till fast reaches the end of our linked list, we will just iterate once. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what will happen is our slow will come here, our fast will come here. Then on the next iteration, what will happen is, let me just change the color here and show. In the next iteration, our slow will come here, our fast would go there. So what will happen? Uh, we will put the condition that if there would be or next, like if this would link to a non-none value. So as there is none here, so what we will do is, now we will skip this node for our slow. So what we will do is, our next pointer of slow will be pointing to next pointer, and we will skip this and our 3 will point to 5. So this is how this is the logic behind our removing nth pointer from the end of the linked list. So let's code this and see how we do that. So we will be defining two pointers, that is slow and fast. Then we will move our fast to nth position. So we will just do range n. We will move our fast till there. Then we will check if we have a fast. Now as we have already iterated, we have to check if we have a fast. If not, we would return head.next. Now we are doing this because while we have already iterated, as we see in the example number 2, our n is 1. We have already iterated, so our fast would be fast.next. So we don't have a fast here. Like our fast pointer does not exist. So we have to just return our head.next pointer. So that is what we are doing here. Because we don't have a head, we have removed our head. That was just a single element. So now when we come down, we will do fast.next now. That while we have fast.next, we will move our slow pointer by 1, we will move our fast pointer by 1. So when our fast pointer would be reaching the end of the list, our slow pointer, sorry, yeah, so our slow pointer will reach the exact position where the node needs to be removed. Dot next. So at that position, now we have skipped that node. That means we have removed that node. Let's just return our linked list. So yeah, let's run this and check if we have got any errors. Let's submit it. Yes, so that is the logic behind removing the nth node from our end of the linked list with the help of two pointers. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.